Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Cherokee Altitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2212A. 22,000 miles and is one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, hydro blue pearl in color. To be certified pre-owned, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. A driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate touchscreen for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, heating and air conditioning with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, and that is of course the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.